Hi, hello children. Welcome back to Krishi School. This is 7th Science. So we are continuing with our chapter number 17, right? Yes. So in last class, what is that we have learned? Yes. Reaction of vinegar with baking soda. Lime water will turn into milky water. Is it not? Yes, lime water will turn into the milky water. It shows that the carbon dioxide is present in the lime water. Okay. Next, burning of camphor also we have seen, no? ఆరతి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కర్పూర బిల్ల గురించి చెప్పాను కదా, that is the burning of camphor. Next, crystallization. Have you seen large crystals of sugar? Mystery చూసాం కదా మనము. This also we have discussed. Do you know how we get the crystals? Have you ever observed the formation of small sugar crystals with జిలేబీ గులాబ్ జామ్ చేసినాక కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత దానిపైన మనకి షుగర్ క్రిస్టల్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. Next, observe crystallization of sugar. So for this, what you have to do, take a big size of test tube, fill half with water, add some sugar to it, stir it. Here they are asking to take the big size test tube and fill it with water. Half of it should be filled with water, and we have to add some sugar and we have to mix it. Keep adding sugar and stirring until saturation is attained. Then heat this sugar solution and add some more sugar to it while stirring continuously. Sugar చాలా కలిపి మనం కలుపుతూనే ఉండాలి. Continue adding sugar till no more sugar can be dissolved. ఇంకా అందులో షుగర్ పట్టనంతగా వాటర్లో అంత షుగర్ వేసి కలపాలి. Now filter the solution and cool for half an hour. Filter చేసి solution ని దాని half an hour cool కు పెట్టాలి 30 minutes. What changes do you notice at the end? ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? We notice that formation of large size crystals of sugar at the bottom of the beaker. So beaker lo last one చల్లార్చిన తర్వాత sugar crystals form అవుతాయి. Thus sugar, the small granules of sugar added change into large size sugar crystals. మన టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ లో ఏం యాడ్ చేసాము? స్మాల్ సైజ్ షుగర్ క్రిస్టల్స్ యాడ్ చేసాం. బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి లార్జ్ సైజ్ షుగర్ క్రిస్టల్స్ బీకర్ లో ఫామ్ అయ్యాయి. నెక్స్ట్, అబ్జర్వ్ క్రిస్టలైజేషన్ అండ్ ఆఫ్ యూరియా. యూరియా తెలుసా? యూరియా పౌడర్. It is used in the fields, no? Take some water in a test tube and add urea to it. They are asking to take some water in a test tube lo కొన్ని వాటర్ తీసుకొని యూరియా యాడ్ చేయాలి. Heat the test tube till the urea dissolves. యూరియా మొత్తం అందులో కలిసిపోయేంత వరకు యాడ్ చేయాలి. Add more urea to it. Keep on adding until no more urea can be dissolved in it. ఆ వాటర్లో ఇంకా యూరియా పట్టనంతగా వేసి బాగా కలపాలి. Let the solution cool down for some time. కొద్దిసేపు దాన్ని చల్లారనివ్వాలి. Observe the test tube after about an half an hour. After 30 minutes, again you have to go and observe. And do you find any crystals in the solution? What is the shape of the crystals? Repeat the experiment with alum. Compare the type of the crystals formed by the urea and alum. So again here also you can see the crystals of urea. Next, observing crystallization of copper sulfate. Take some hot saturated solution of copper sulfate in a test tube. Pour some of it in evaporating dish. They are asking to take some hot and saturated solution of copper sulfate in a test tube. Then afterwards you put it in a dish. Allow the solution to cool. Observe with a magnifying lens the size, color and shape of the crystals formed. Then later you can see the crystals formed in it. From the above, the activities we notice that we can separate dissolved substance in the form of crystals. ఏదైనా ఒకటి dissolve అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి వాటర్ దాన్ని separate చేయాలంటే we have to do like this. Then what happens? Crystals you can see at the end, the crystal formation. The process of separating a soluble solid from the solution. Okay, solution, solvent plus solid is give rise to solution. From the solution, if you want to separate the solid, then by heating or evaporating, then this it is called as a crystallization. Again, this one you have to underline it, ma. Page number 165, page number 165. In black color, it is there printed words. The process of separating a soluble solid from the solution by heating. Solution lo nunchi solid ni separate cheyalante by heating or evaporating the solvent is called as crystallization. Solvent ni heat cheyadam, evaporate cheyadam valla అందులో ఉన్న solid సొల్యూషన్ నుంచి సపరేట్ అయిపోతుంది కదా, సొల్యూషన్ చేయాలి. Then this is called as a crystallization. Once again underline it. The process of separating of soluble solid from the solution by heating or evaporating the solvent is called crystallization. What type of change in this in crystallization? No new substance is formed. Hence it is a physical change. All the crystallizations, it is called as a physical change. Till now, we have discussed about some physical and chemical changes. In physical changes, no new substance is formed. In physical changes, no new substance is formed. Whereas in the chemical changes, we have seen that one or more new substances are formed. Where in chemical change, new substance is formed. In physical change, new substance is not formed. Identify physical and chemical change. Have you ever thought of the process behind setting milk into curd? Is it a physical change or chemical change? What type of change is the boiling of an egg? Is it a chemical change or a physical change? Think about the following changes and decide whether they are physical or chemical changes. Write the type of changes and reasons for that in the table. Yeah, let's look at the table now. Preparation of idli mix. Is it a physical change or chemical change? It is a physical change. Next, making dough for roti. It is a physical change because when you mix the idli mix, there is no new substance is formed. When you put it in the vessel, then you can see the idli formation, new one. But when you mix only the idli and dal together, then it is new substance is not formed. Only fermentation will takes place. Then it is a physical change. Making dough for roti. Chapati is not pinning up to the mummy. Only new substance is not formed. Just you're mixing with the water the dough. So it is a physical change. Preparation of the tea is a chemical change. Why? Because you add just water, sugar, milk and tea powder. And then the new substance tea is formed. Next, applying pain balm for different kinds of pain. No new substance is formed. Ripening of the fruits. No. Applying cosmetic creams, antiseptic creams and lotions to the skin. Physical change. Taking tablets, capsules and syrups. Tearing of paper. Change in skin color in hot summer. Growing of plants. All these are physical changes only. Every day we use many types of batteries and many of these batteries are recharged regularly. Can you identify the types of changes taking place in this process? What type of batteries daily in our life we use? In the remotes, in the toys that the children will play, in the watch, everywhere we use some different types of batteries, right? We use turmeric with lime water to decorate the feet. Parani. Kalak parani పెడతారంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? పసుపును సున్నం రాస్తారు కదా. During some occasions at our homes. What type of change it is? Chemical change, new substances formed. Think about the reasons why chewing of palm chili turns our mouth red. Yes, మనము తమలపాకు సున్నం వక్క వేసుకుంటే నోరంతా ఎర్రగైపోతుంది కదా. Is it a chemical change or physical change? It's a chemical change. Why? Because a new substance in red color is formed. So, look at the picture and circle all the physical and chemical changes. Write them in the table given below. Here they have given Noma item burning of chichugudi. From the figure you have to see it. Burning of chichugudi, physical change or chemical change, forms powder, gives light and sound. So chemical change. Why? Because new substance powder is formed. Again, what is that they are doing here? Only they are burning the crackers, right? Yes. So fill this table number 10. So your homework is write about this physical change and chemical change in the page number 165. This one as well as the table number 10. By this we have finished the lesson. Just we'll go through what are the important points in this chapter. Changes mainly are two types, physical and chemical change. When a material undergo a change in shape, size and color or state, then the formation of new substance is formed. Then it is without the formation of new substance, it is called as a physical change. Color change, shape change, but new substance is not formed. Now there is a physical change. In a physical change, generally no new substance is formed. Physical change లో న్యూ సబ్స్టెన్స్ తయారవ్వదు. Okay, when a material undergoes a change in its composition, it is called as a chemical change. When the material undergoes a change in its composition. In a chemical change, new substance is formed. In chemical change, new substance is formed. A chemical change is also called as chemical reaction. A chemical change is also called as the chemical reaction. In any change, heat, light, radiation, or sounds may also be produced. It is a change. New color or smell may appear. In a change, what can appear? New color or maybe new smell. The process of separating a soluble solid from the solution on B, heating or evaporation is called crystallization. This already happened. The process of depositing zinc on either metal is called as galvanization. So this is all for children. Our lesson is chapter is finished. Is it not? Yes, lesson number 17 is also finished. Now what is your duty? Just go through the textbook, read the textbook, learn the hard words. Not in a by heart method, the question answers. Question answers batti kottokade. Try to resolve, understand it, what is happening, observe it. Practically have to observe it. Then it will be very easy for you to understand. So in this way you have to go forward, children. We'll meet you in our next class. Okay. So homework again I will post it. These two tables you have to fill it. If you have workbooks, it will be easy for you to just have a recap. And homeworks write in the homework notebook only. Try to improve your handwriting, children. Neat గా రాయడం నేర్చుకోండి. ఏదో రాయమన్నాం కదా పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా రాసేస్తున్నారు. Not like that. Try to write very neatly. Thank you, children.